Summer grounds maintenance presents unique safety challenges. Uneven terrain, wet grass, hidden debris, insects, and loud equipment increase injury risks. Being aware of these hazards is crucial for safety. Proper footwear is essential on summer terrain. Closed-toe boots with good tread and support reduce slips and ankle injuries. OSHA reports that improper footwear is a leading cause of workplace falls. Gloves protect hands from cuts, punctures, and contamination. Handling debris or equipment without gloves increases the risk of injury. Studies show hand injuries account for 20% of workplace incidents in landscaping. Commercial properties hide many hazards like broken glass, needles, and uneven pavement. These hidden dangers can cause serious injuries if unnoticed. Awareness and scanning the work area are vital safety steps. Bees, wasps, and hornets often nest near shrubs and structures in summer. Disturbing hives can cause aggressive insect attacks leading to stings or allergic reactions. Calmly moving away and reporting the hive helps prevent incidents. Loud equipment like mowers and blowers can cause hearing loss over time. OSHA recommends hearing protection when noise exceeds 85 decibels. Consistent use reduces long-term auditory damage among grounds workers. Performing equipment pre-checks prevents accidents from damaged or faulty tools. Checking guards, leaks, and loose parts ensures safe operation. Never operate equipment with missing safety features as per industry standards. Flying debris from trimmers and blowers poses risks to people and property. Being aware of surroundings prevents injuries and damage. Proper control of equipment direction is essential for public safety. Safety in summer grounds maintenance depends on PPE and situational awareness. Recognizing hazards and following safety protocols reduces injury risks. Stay alert and report unsafe conditions to protect yourself and others.